Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dr. Linz here, and today I'm going to bring you another awesome legging review. All right, before I get into it, I'm going to let you guys know the base pace review is coming. It's on the way. Thank you so much for your comments on wanting me to review that. I truly appreciate that. Feel free to comment below if you want me to review anything else or if you have a health question in general. Okay, so here I have the Lululemon Instill pant. I will link these up below. When you shop from that directly, it does help support me. I appreciate it so much. So with the Instill pant, this is the violet color. When I first pulled it out of the bag, ooh, it is soft. These are very, very soft, almost pajama-like feeling leggings, okay? So I really love how soft they are, and I do think this color is really pretty. It's like a very soft purple. So I went ahead and I put them on. These are a size 4. I was like, okay, these look like they'll fit me, and they do. So size 4 is what I wear in a line as well. However, when I'm doing like a fast and free tight, I wear a size 6. So they built these to be soft and smooth and help you go through every stretch. So it's made for yoga technically. When I put these on, I thought, you know, I could train in these. I could lift weights with these. I could also go out and about in these. Now, let me tell you some things you may not notice when you're looking at these online. All right, the first thing I noticed when I put these on is there's a seam in the band. So at the top, there's usually not a seam in the band. There is in these, and I'm gonna say I don't like it. The front, not so cute to me. The back, a little bit more cute to me. So the front seam, I don't understand it. I don't like it. I wish they would have just took that out, and I would probably like these 100% better. Okay, so that's the one thing. The other thing with this band in general, it's not as high-waisted as the Align pant. So if you like a more high-waisted pant like I do, it is not super high-waisted. Now, it does go over my belly button, so it does pass the high waist test there, and I would be fine. It does hold me in well. These do hold me in a little bit more than the Align pant, I noticed as well. Now, when we move to the side here, there is another seam that you may not notice so much when you're looking at it online, and that's gonna run down the outside of the leg, and it stops right before it hits the knee. Again, I feel like this was the same with their pocket aligns, where the seam just stops in the middle of the leg. I don't really understand that, but again, it's not something that super bothers me like that front seam in the waistband. I don't understand that one. So it's there just in case you don't notice it and you put them on when you get them in person. You now know that there's a side seam that stops mid-leg. Now, let's go ahead. We're gonna move to the back of the legging, and one of the things that Lululemon doesn't usually do, I don't think at least, I could be wrong, is their Lululemon sign, their little symbol is the same color as the pant, and it kind of has like a rubbery silicone feel. So it is a different logo on there, not a make or break it for me. It's a little bit more discreet. So that's on the back, so you know that. And then the back of the rump, the way the glutes look, I like it. It reminds me of the fast and free tight with the lines, how it kind of goes around the glute a little bit there. But again, the band just isn't as thick in the back. Lastly, you know, you gotta have some kind of pocket. So we had a little pocket in the back. It is a thick, you know, pocket that can protect your keys or your card. So it's always nice to have that secret pocket in the back there. So overall for me, I really love the softness of these pants, but I think I'm gonna stick to the Align pant for more of an athleisure legging that I can also lift in. And the main reason, honestly, is because of that front seam. So go ahead, check them out below. I'll link it up for you guys. If you have any questions, drop them below in the comments. I'd love to chat with y'all. All right, guys, until next time, we'll talk to you soon.